I will never forget being in the first year of my PhD and my supervisor saying to me, once you actually read the data, you'll realize that a lot of these peer-reviewed articles aren't as statistically significant as they seem from first glance. And that year was the hardest research I've done in my entire life. Because you know what I found out? It is so freaking hard to prove that a source is reputable. You know why? Because you have to prove that it's peer-reviewed. You have to know who the peers are, who paid for the study, what the sample size was. You have to prove that the sample size was like reflective of the population and that the sample size is meant to represent. You have to look at the data and see if they say that it's statistically significant and then how statistically significant, because there's levels to this, and you have to know that because you're the researcher. So if you're in a similar situation, let me show you one thing that would have made my life way easier back then. Okay, you start by going to this website here. You just upload all of your papers. Once they're uploaded, they all get saved to your own library. From the library, you can sort them all into folders based on exactly what topic they're for. And in these folders, you can read all of the papers side by side. There's also this chat box over here where you can ask any question and the response is so detailed. All of this information only comes from the papers that you've uploaded, and it even has little links so you can fact check the information.